video, I'm going to show you best and top antivirus for Windows 10. That is nothing but 360 Total Security. This is the interface of 360 Total Security. It looks very nice, fabulous. In fact, the reason I'm picking this, it is completely free and it gets updates time to time. It has patches for Windows. It scans virus. In single step, it full checks like in Android VC. It speed up your boot times, it clean up cache files, it has toolbox. It's loading. It has toolbox. You can vote for something. For instance, new ones are Game Booster, 360 Turbo IBM, Firewall, etc. Instant setup, Sandbox. Sandbox is the one where you can place your stucking files like, for instance, say GTA San Andreas, etc. It scans every file. Let us go for a virus scan. Let us choose quick scan. In the meantime, you can go for cleanupping. You can go for speed up also. Okay. Yes. Update schedules. Okay. I'm optimizing them. I can go for full check. See, its interface is very good. It is completely free and it is available on the Windows Store and its website. Scan is going on. See, 277.3 MB cache files are in my PC, so I'm cleaning them. Yes, go to clean up. No worries, just clean up. See, apps are refreshing on the background. You can see that means cache files are deleted. Finish. I'm running the screen recording software, so it shows to close it. I think full check is completed. I'm stopping it. I'm kind of bored. So it taken 5.5 minutes of 60% progress. At 3 odd minutes to it, it completes 8 minutes to quick scan your computer. As everything being said, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, link for the software is in the YouTube show note.